I do want to bring attention to how cute my puppy is. Look at that. Hi beauties, welcome to my bedroom. I just took a shower and so I was getting ready to do my morning routine. Today is a long day. I am going out for dinner with my family. It's a Saturday morning. And later we are also doing some shopping. But anyway, so I just thought I'd come on and do my morning routine with you all. Since it was highly requested after I shared my nighttime routine in a short form video. If you don't know exactly what your skin type is, there is an app. I will link it down below. It is called a skin analyzer app. All you got to do is just wash your face and take a selfie, and then within minutes the app will tell you exactly what your skin type is and what products you should use. So use that app. My name is Maureen. Let me know. I would love to see your results. So I took a shower and I used my Mary Kay Timewise Repair Volufirm cleanser. While I was in the shower, this was my last step, I used a Microdermabrasion. It is very, very gentle for the skin. It is not harsh whatsoever. So this is something that I use every time I shower. I wash my face and then I do this, and then this is my last step and I get out of the shower. Mary Kay Satin lips. So I used the sugar scrub in the shower. So I'm done with this also. And then I'm just going to use the balm. And also, just a friendly reminder to always hydrate. Hydration goes a long way. So some water before and after shower is very important. Okay. I am going to, first thing first, use a Timewise Volufirm Advanced Lifting Serum. You guys, this product comes with Volufirm Repair set. I will put the picture somewhere so you guys can see. It comes with 5 products. It comes with the cleanser, serum. It comes with day cream, night cream, and also the eye cream. But this, you guys, is amazing stuff for your face. This is literally bra for your face. It lifts everything up and it focuses on what's it called, an inverted triangle. So girls that are my age, I am 38 years old. I will turn 39 this year. So I've started to notice that my face is you know, drooping a little bit because gravity is doing its pull. And so it's called an inverted triangle. It starts from the under your eyes, and then this inverted triangle goes all the way to your neck. So this is the gravitational pull that you will feel as you get older. There's a certain time when our skin stops producing collagen, and that's when you need anti-aging products. So comment down below at what age our skin stops producing collagen, and I will reveal the answer in the end of the video. So be sure to watch the rest of it. So this is a lifting serum. I will take 2 pumps and I will apply it all over my face. But notice that I am just focusing on my cheeks and my neck more because that's the area that I need the most lift. Since I used the Microdermabrasion in the shower, I am going to use Pore Minimizer serum. Now that comes in a set. This is a set. So when you buy this, this goes a long way. You guys, I don't even know how long I've had this in my shower. It will last you a long time. It's been there for months and months. I just use a tiny bit when I'm in the shower, exfoliate my face with it, and then when I get out, then I use Pore Minimizer serum. So I will take just a pump and a half. The center of the face is where my pores are. On my nose, my forehead. The center of the face is usually where the problem is for pores for me. So now the next serum will be anything that you want to target next on your skin. So I have hyperpigmentation spots here right around my lips. So I am going to go in with a tone corrector serum. And I'm only going to focus in on the areas that I need it. So this is around my mouth. So I'm only going to take a pump because the rest of my face is fine. I just need help around my mouth and my chin. And whatever's left, I spread it equally on the rest of my face. So like I mentioned earlier, I have dry skin. So for that, I'm going to use Mary Kay's Replenishing C and E Serum. Now, vitamin C is very, very important. So for your skins, vitamin C is amazing. And if you want that glass skin look, my skin has taken a turn. after I've started using the Tone Corrector Serum and Timewise Replenishing Serum C and E. The mixture of these two is amazing. So I'm going to spread this equally all over my face because I want hydration. And you know, like when we feel dehydrated, we drink a glass of water too. You know, when you feel like, oh, hydrated and this and that. This is 4 glasses of water for your face. Side note, you guys, Mary Kay just replaced the Tone Corrector Serum, and they launched a 10 times better and effective booster for your skin. Link is in the description. With a Volufirm Deep Wrinkle Filler. There's a hack that I a little bit on your finger. And I'm choosing my ring finger only because ring finger has the least pressure. So it's better for your under eye area because then you don't apply too much pressure. So the ring finger or pinky has the least pressure. So those are the best fingers for your under eye and eyes work because you don't want to put a lot of pressure. I'm just repeating myself. Anyways, okay, so that's that. And then I'm just going to apply a little bit on my lips for that extra plumpness because this does have hyaluronic acid in it. So it's going to add that plumpness. Now, a year ago, I had problems with my smile lines. And so I spoke to my director and I was like, I don't know, like, you know, I'm getting smile lines and, you know, my foundation and or my concealer, like, you know, creases through. And it's just like, you know, not a very good feeling. I don't like it. She was like, we have the Wrinkle Filler. So I don't know why you're not using it. And I was like, oh, does this thing work really? She's like, yes, it absolutely works. What are you talking about? So every morning and night, I will just look in the mirror and I'll smile. And right now, I don't have any frown lines, but like if you have like, you know, your forehead when it makes 11s, I don't have that right now. So, but if you have a forehead that makes 11s, or if I raise my forehead, and you know, sometimes people have those lines, you can fill those in and those lines on your crow's feet, on any extra lines that you have on under your eyes. That's why I used this step earlier for my under eyes. And then I just dab it in. You don't have to tug it or pull the product. You just massage it in and just tug it in into the line. And you guys, when I was on the second tube of the Volufirm Wrinkle Filler, my smile lines started to disappear. As you can see, I barely have any smile lines anymore now. And then I'm also going to do it around my lips for that natural plumpness that I'm going to get every time. So I'm just adding whatever I have left on my forehead. Eye cream is very, very important for your skincare routine because there are 2 places where your body gives out the H, and that's the number 1 is the eyes, and number 2 are your hands. So your hands should be always moisturized. We have a Satin hands treatment with Mary Kay, and I use that every morning and night. So keep your hands moisturized at all times and your under eyes moisturized at all times. The Volufirm Eye Renewal Cream. This is the cream that comes with the set. So I'm just going to take some on my finger. All you need is a little bit, you guys. It goes a long way. And then just on your eyes, you just dab it in. You can either use it this way or also another way that I'll just show it to you, how Mary Kay designed it. Eye Renewal Cream comes with a metal piece like this. So this is where the eye cream comes out. Okay. And then I'm just going to do this as a demo. This is how I should be using, but I just use my finger anyway. So this is how you should be applying. You just apply like this. This is how Mary Kay designed it. So the metal ball part is so cold that it gets rid of any puffiness or swelling that you may have. Especially in the morning, I'm always very puffy. Now, just for extra hydration, I am going to use the Mary Kay Naturally Nourishing Oil. This is from our Naturally line. So 2 to 3 drops on the palm. Press the palm together and gently onto the face. So this is how you should be using. You put it on your palm. 2, 3. And then you just supposed to put it on your skin. You can also use a dropper. I usually use a dropper, but this feels so satisfying. Okay, so that's that. And then whatever you have left, you can use it on your hands. So next is the Timewise Repair Volufirm Day Cream. Now, it has the SPF 30 in it. This is how it comes out. And I am just going to use just a little bit. On the areas of my face where I apply deep wrinkle filler, I am not going to massage the day cream. So I'm just going to take a little bit, mix it with the other finger, and then dab this into my skin. Okay, so the answer to the question asked in the beginning of the video is, at the age of 21, your body stops producing collagen, and that's when you need to start using anti-aging products to help your skin with the collagen benefits. So that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I am going to post all the products that I use in the description box below. If you like anything and you want to try anything, you can go ahead and check those out. And if you have a Mary-Kay consultant, they can help you with any of your needs. If you don't have a Mary-Kay consultant of your own, I would love to serve you. Let me know how I can help. Go check out my website. So thank you so much and have a blessed day.